Lego Pirate Hotel, Orlando, Florida. Clickety click. Really cool kid beds for 3. Pulls out the bottom with a cool trundle down there. Lego bricks are building. We just checked in earlier. The kids safe, treasure hunt, super fun. Kids loved it. I think they do it every day. Bathroom. Nice Lego brick shower kind of thing. Cool. Lego toiletries. Nice. We got a first floor room, so it's easy to walk in. The theming is awesome here. I'm very impressed with all the theming they have for this hotel. Opened brand new in 2020. Themed adult bed. More theming. And you are right by the entrance to Legoland. That you walk across and you are right there. It's pretty awesome. A neat hotel so far. Bye.